If you want to permanently delete your Gmail account, it's important to follow the correct steps to ensure that all your data is removed. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using the credentials of the Gmail account you wish to delete. Make sure you have access to this account, as you will need to verify your identity. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains options related to your account data and privacy settings. Step 3. Delete a service of your account. Scroll down to find the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Delete a service or your account. Here, you will see options for deleting specific Google services or your entire account. Step 4. Choose to delete Gmail. Select Delete a service. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security. Look for Gmail in a list of services and click on the trash can icon next to it to initiate the deletion process. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion of your Gmail account. You may need to read through important information regarding the loss of data and services associated with your Gmail account before finalizing the deletion. After completing these steps, your Gmail account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose access to all emails and data associated with that account. Make sure to back up any important information before proceeding.